My name is Atlanta Bridget Johnson. I'm an actor and I'm here live at the official premiere of Real Love. Well, it was a good time. We all had really fun, a lot of fun on set. It's the third time I've worked with Kayode Kasum, who is a fantastic director. It was my first time working alongside Timini, and yeah, we all got along really well, had a great time. A lot of hard work was put into this, and yeah, I can't wait to see what we did tonight. So yeah, for the audience, for the viewers that are going to see this, just know that it's an entertaining film, it's heartfelt, it's very relatable, and it's a beautiful watch. So bring your family, bring your friends, bring your partners along, and come for the ride.
Hello everyone, my name is Gold. I am an actor and I acted in the Real Love. The character is a sick father of the lady who falls in love with this unknown man. And I think it was necessary for the man to give direction to his daughter on their future. That's essentially it. Well, my take on that is that, my take on dating on social media is that love can happen anywhere. But wherever it happens, keep an open mind and ensure that you give your love from the heart, not from the social media. Even if you fall in love on the social media, let your heart be involved and you'll enjoy it. But be ready also for heartbreak.
Hi, my name is Kayode Kasum. I wanted to make a film that would tell the truth, really. I wanted the actors to act the way the characters were feeling. I also wanted you to come to the cinema to enjoy yourself. As a director, if there's one thing that prepares my mind when I direct a film, one thing that I want to do, I want to make sure that what you're coming to watch is worth your money. I don't want to do anything that I would not watch. I like making films that I will sit down and watch. I have a very short attention span, so that's when you watch my films, you will drop your phone because I'm making a film for myself. So it's like at the moment when you want to go to your phone, something else is happening. I also created a musical experience, an acting experience. Timini Egbuson is beautiful in this film. We have new actors. We have the great Funke Akindele. I would say that you're in for premium Nollywood entertainment. Meeting people online is, I think it's faster, it's quicker, it's more diverse for you to kind of meet. I would say the selection of people out there is a bit diverse. So I would say dating on social media now has one advantage to it. Advantage to it is also people kind of get what they instantly tell you what they want. Is either they want to have sex or not. I hope I was not too direct. But yeah, at least there's honest communication. Social media also creates room for lots of communication between partners.
The name is Pretty Mike of Lagos. Doing what I do best, having fun. I've had a couple of flings. Well, no, I've met a couple of people online, and it's scary though. To me, it's scary because you can never really trust their personality, or they might appear to be something today and tomorrow it's a whole new ball game. So, but hey, it's the new thing, is what's in vogue, it's the future. But will they try them now? Well, for a Nigerian woman, she needs that alert. Constant alert. In fact, if you want to be more romantic, give her an alert, I'll be like, boom. Then when she thinks that was the most, you give her that one. She could almost die.
Hi guys, my name is FYWR and I'm hanging out with Naija Limelight. We're here at the Real Love premiere here at IMAX Cinemas, and it's going to be a night to remember. I can't wait to spend it with you guys. I think the project is going to be amazing. Timini is associated with excellence, so is Kayode Kasum, and it's like an all-star cast, and it's love, and it's dropping on Valentine's Day. What more can you ask for? I think social media helps people connect from all over the world. So if you meet someone from Japan, it's good for you, but make sure you meet them and they are who they say they are, so that you don't get catfished. I think the most romantic thing I've ever done in my life would probably be cooking, because I hardly ever cook. So cooking for someone shows you that I really, really care about you. My next project is to find a job with Naija Limelight. If they'll hire me, I'm here. I'm looking for work, please.
Hi guys, this is Atlanta Bridget Johnson. I'm an actor here at the official premiere of Real Love. Keep watching Naija Limelight.
Hi, my name is Kayode Kasum. I'm a film director and a film producer. Keep watching Naija Limelight.
This is Pretty Mike of Lagos, CEO Proxy Lagos. Subscribe to Naija Limelight. Chi!
Hi there, it's How Magaji, and I want you to subscribe to Niger Limelight.
Hi guys, my name is FIR. Please subscribe to Niger Limelight, okay?
All you have to do is take a girl out, show her a really good time of her life. Brands eat this shit up.
Well, wouldn't it seem like we're using her?
How are we so sure she's not trying to use you? I mean, you're the famous one at the end of the day. You're almost like the hero. Fine. Where do we start?
Are
we done?
Yeah, we're done.
I don't understand. Celebrity did my husband come and they look like asking.
Surprise! I had a shitty day.
Everyone has a shitty day. What's wrong? Make on shit time.
You are the reason for the shit. What is wrong with you? What's your problem?
Clearly a mad person. Just forget about it.
Hi there, it's Hawa Magaji and we're rocking with Niger Limelight. Yes, I did. I watched the trailer for the film. I feel like it's going to be a lot of drama, so I'm excited to see the drama and everything that unfolds in the film. Tomide, I mean, I've seen him in quite a number of films, but he's also the producer on this one, and it's his debut, so I'm excited to see him. No, I haven't, but that's because I believe in the old traditional my friend introduced me to, and I always like speaking to people that I know somebody that knows you, just in case you want to be aware. But honestly, people have found their partners on social media, and the fact that it hasn't happened for me is I'm not going to knock it down. So yeah, I do believe in it. If I like the guy, I wouldn't mind a good morning and good night every day. If I don't like the guy, it's a red flag. So it depends. It depends on whether I like him or not. So that flag is in between right now. Red flag. If I red canopy. So you know what? I actually hate calls, but if it's my partner, I don't mind it. So you could FaceTime me anytime, baby.
So if they send me a good morning, good night text every single day, I think it's romantic. Okay, so if he asks for my password 1 week into the relationship, red flag. Person surprises me with a plane ticket to Paris after a month of dating, romantic.